Creating Gmail DepEd account. From the URL, type the depedverify.appspat.com. An overview for creating DepEd email account. Click I don't have any DepEd email, green button. Fill in all the boxes needed. Your TIN, first name, middle name, last name, suffix optional, the birth date, month, day and year, personal email address, phone number or your mobile number, region, division and school optional. Then click Get My DepEd Email Account button. Pop-up will appear. To review the information you entered, click Submit button if there are no errors. Copy your official DepEd email address, your username, and your password. Then click Claim Now button. Type the official DepEd email address to the box provided, then click Next button. Type in your temporary password to the box provided, then click Sign In. Read the information here. Then, after you read, click I accept, continue to my account. Then, type in your personal password. Then, re-enter your personal password. Then, click Change Password. Click the name of your country. Enter your phone number. Then, click Continue. Check your phone for the text message for your verification code. Wait for the verification, then click Continue button. Then enter the verification code, then click Continue to recognize the mobile number. Click Continue button. Then you create a DepEd email account. Done. Thank you.